Check out this Briggs & Riley upright luggage. Now this only has 2 wheels on the back, so it doesn't rotate 360 degrees like some other pieces of luggage, but it makes up for it with all the space that is within this luggage. And as you can see, I've used it quite a bit. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. There is just so much space within this piece of luggage, and there's a brush here that I need to take out, but let's check the pockets within this luggage. There's a mesh pocket on the side here, which you can place some underwear or some socks in, and then if you go behind it, there is more space that you can place like some shirts in, some lighter pieces of clothing as well, maybe some underwear perhaps, but it's just great. There's other pockets in here too, and it really just opens up how many things you can carry with you on your travels. So let's close this back up, and then we'll see what's in the main compartment, which is just a very nice amount of space in here too. And you can even use do this for like jeans or for even some dresses or suits perhaps. But if we check the outside, we can then see the other pockets that are on this piece of luggage, which there are just so many of these pockets available. As you can see, there's another one right here. So it's just a fantastic piece of luggage. There is just so much you can place within this luggage. As you've seen, there are just so many pockets, and it's very durable. And it's just this amazing piece of luggage. I highly recommend grabbing one of these if you can. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks so much.